Wow, amazing. She sounds like a Filipino also. Sawadika, Chansu C, and for today's video, reaction video, I'm going to react on this episode 18, Queen on Street Set Fire to the Rain by Adele, covered by Fiat Patong. I'm not sure if that's it. Fiat Patong? Fiat Patong? Alright, so I just saw her here in YouTube that she's kind of famous and she can sing English songs. Yeah, we'll see about this one. This is my first time. Actually, I don't have any background. I don't have any idea about this one, Fiat Patong. I'm not sure how and why is she that famous, something like that. So if you know some of it, some of her background, you can comment it down below. Alright, so there you go. Without further ado, let's start reacting to this video. So I can see that I think she works in public. Maybe this is before the lockdown, I think, because they weren't wearing any mask. Oh good, she's also good in playing the guitar. Her voice is so soft. Wow, amazing. She sounds like a Filipino also. Oh, nice. Look at that, there are lots of foreigners. Oh, she's kind of famous. Nice. I like her voice. Soft voice. Wow. Talented kid.
Today
That's amazing. Wow, that's really cool. She kind of sound like a Filipino singer too. Amazing. She is so talented. She can speak English so well. Maybe I think that's also the other reason why she's kind of famous, because she can sing English songs wherein it's hard for the other singers to do that. Actually, here in Thailand, I can say that there are also lots of singers, but maybe they aren't competitive internationally. I think it is also because of the language barrier, and that's understandable because English is not their first language here in Thailand, right? So they usually use Thai to speak and Thai to sing, something like that. And this kid is also very good. I really like her voice. It's so soft and something like, oh, so smooth. Amazing. Yeah, she really have the talent. She's a talented kid. But I really don't have any background about her. I don't know her. So yeah, there we go. All I can say is that good, thumbs up, love, heart from the Philippines to you, Fiat Patong. All right. Okay, so there we go then. Nice one. You're so amazing. You're an amazing kid, Fiat Patong. All right, so there we go then. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.